Welcome students to my channel My Way Learning. To continue with our topic, now we are going to discuss about tongue. Tongue is a soft movable part inside our mouth. As we all aware about tongue, now let us learn what is the function of a tongue. It is used for tasting, licking and speaking. If we don't have tongue, we can't speak properly. Tongue also pushes the food into the food pipe when you swallow the food. Along with the teeth and tongue, there are three pairs of salivary glands present in the mouth which secretes saliva. In other words, which we known as thuk, the water present in our mouth. Our tongue helps us to taste different things which we eat. The front of our tongue helps us to taste sweet things. Right side front helps us to taste salty things. Back side of right side helps us to taste salt things. And left side back helps us to taste bitter things. As I said earlier, digestion of food begins when you put food in your mouth. Teeth help in breaking the food into smaller pieces and chew it, whereas the saliva mix with the food and make it soft. Saliva also convert insoluble starch into soluble starch. What happened to the chapati when you chew it for the longer time? You saw, now it become sweet. The roti become sweet to taste. This is due to action of saliva on our food. So saliva is very important part in the digestion of food. It is very important to chew the food properly for proper digestion. Now let us learn about stomach. From the mouth, the food goes into the food pipe and from there it enters into stomach. Now what is stomach? Stomach is a muscular bag-like organ in which food can be stored for few hours. It's not like that when you eat the food, it immediately gets digested. It mixes with the juices which are present in your stomach. They are digestive juices which are secreted by the walls of the stomach which help in the digestion of the food. In the stomach, the food is partially digested by these juices and then it passes to the small intestine. Now the semi-liquid food from the stomach passed into the long and coiled structure known as small intestine. The name is small intestine, but it is long than large intestine. The small intestine, liver and pancreas, they produce some more digestive juices which pour into the small intestine. Liver and pancreas pour their juices into the small intestine. Here, these juices get mixed with the food and completely digest the food over there. After the digestion is completed, the wall of small intestine absorb the digestive food and pass it to the blood. Now the food is in the liquid form. It goes into the blood and blood carries the digestive food to all parts of the body. After that food, the remaining undigested food goes into the large intestine. The walls of large intestine absorb water from the undigested food and then pass it to blood. The undigested semi-solid waste is collected in the rectum and is eliminated through the anus. While eating food, it is very essential to see what should be eaten and how it should be eaten. What one should do: wash hand before eating, chew food properly, not speak while chewing food. Most of the time our parents told us don't speak while eating. Why? Can you think of it? As I said, we have two pipes inside our throat. One is food pipe and one is windpipe. When you eat, your food goes to the food pipe, and when you speak or when you inhale air, windpipe works. So when you speak while eating food, the food may goes into the air pipe or the windpipe and it may choke. Eat green vegetables and fruits every day. Can you suggest me why? As we said earlier, vegetables and fruit give exercise to our gums and they are good for teeth. They are also good for our digestive system as they have many nutrients which are easily digested by our system. One should have balanced diet. Take food at fixed interval. When we eat food at fixed interval, it helps our digestive system to digest food, because in meanwhile they also get rest time. If we keep eating the food throughout the day, our digestive system will not get time to take rest. Drink about 8 to 10 glasses of water every day, because water helps to regulate our body temperature as well as it helps food to be in liquid form and help in digestion. I hope now I make myself clear how mouth, small intestine, stomach and large intestine play important role in the digestion of food. For more updates, keep watching my video and do subscribe my channel, my